Hello everyone, my name is Angel and today I will be presenting the network updates for ABC uh, company Sydney and Melbourne branches. So little bit background of the company. ABC is a global IT solution company which has recently expanded its business to Australia. In in assessment one, we designed a network for the communication for the Sydney and Melbourne branch for ABC company. So the Sydney branch is mainly focused on customer services and project management, while the Melbourne branch focuses on technical support and software development. So both networks heavily rely on their network to communicate, share data, and work with international client. So the currently the ABC company is facing uh, experiencing slow performance within the Melbourne branch. So another issue is that current network lacks redundancy, meaning if one part of the system fails, the services may go down. So there are some changes we are going to make in the network so that even if ABC wants to expand its business for a large proprietary like enterprise business, uh, it can do. So the current network diagram you are seeing in the packet tracer is perfect for small businesses, but it lacks major. But there is major problem when it tries to expand the branch. So what are the problem is the problem first problem the network will be facing expanding its business is because of the routing protocols. The routing protocols, the routing protocol we use in for the ABC is RIP, which is also known as routing information protocol. It is very basic protocol and works very well for small network, and it also causes delays because it doesn't always picks the best path. So it picks a random path and just transmit the data over the path. So for upgrading, we'll use OSPF. OSPF is Open Shortest Path Finder. It uses Dijkstra algorithm, which will recognize the shortest and fastest path between routers. So the data that is shared can reach to its destination faster and quicker. So for redundancy, I suggest backup links between the branches. This way, even if one of the link fails, the network will continue working. Another main upgrade we will be making is uh, adding the wireless network in the in the in the network. So what wireless network will help is the helps to communicate between client wirelessly. So this will make employees more flexible. For wireless network, I strongly recommend to use WPA3 uh, as it is the best and secured Wi-Fi connection that we can get in the market right now. Many of the vulnerabilities uh, are found in WPA2 PSK and other outdated system, but the best will be WPA3 because of its strong encryption. But one of the major problem with WPA3 is it is expensive and also uh, it is expensive and can cost, but it is the best and secure network, wireless network uh, found in found in today's time. So for the network monitoring system, I suggest using Nagios because because of its cost effective, scalable, and provides real time alerts when something goes wrong. This will help IT staff. detect issues uh, before they affect any employees, or let's say before they affect uh, anything on the routers. To ensure safe data transmission transfer between Sydney and Melbourne, I recommend using a VPN, which stand for Virtual Private Network. So what VPN does is it encrypts the traffic between the network flowing. So when the data is transmitting from Melbourne to Sydney, uh, the the data is encrypted. So even if like if a attacker or if a hacker gets inside between those router, they what they can get is they can see the encrypted data. They can't decrypt the data, so it will be more secure, and also it will provide a tunnel, so they cannot intercept and read the data. To conclusion, to summarize, I've suggested the major improvements: upgrading routing protocols, securing wireless networks, and implementing and monitoring VPN for maximum security. This these steps will not only makes ABC, Sydney's, and Melbourne branches faster, but also more reliable and more secure than the previous network. Than the previous network. So these are the things we are upgrading on the ABC network to provide maximum security for the future, and also it will have it will help in upgrading the business for ABC. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening.